Good morning to all of you. Hope all of you are fine. Okay. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. So, students, let us start the chapter, the sentence, as we already done the first portion, first A or B part in our second assignment. Now, in this assignment, identify these interrogative sentences. Mark Y for yes or no questions and T for tag questions. C for choice questions and W for WH questions. Students, as you already know that yes or no questions that can be answered with a yes or no response, and WH questions are questions that begins with WH word and one with how also. And tag questions are questions that are formed by adding an interrogative tag at the end of a declarative or an imperative statement. And choice questions, as you already know that in the questions there is a choice and you have to choose the one. Okay. Now let's start with the questions. C part. When do you play football? आप फुटबॉल कब खेलते हो? क्वेश्चन मार्क आ गया. दिस इज अवर W. You have choice. This is our question mark, question form, and you put W. How he doesn't like the rainy season. Does he? अब ये हमारा कौन सा आ गया? शॉर्ट फॉर्म आ गई टैग क्वेश्चन. यू हैव टू राइट T. When did they come to visit you? वो आपके पास कब आए? ये हमारे क्वेश्चन WH क्वेश्चन हो गए, तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया? W. Has the bus already left? अब ये हमसे पूछ रहे हैं कि जो बस है ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट हो गई है. ये हमारे क्या होगी? येस और नो क्वेश्चन. देन वी हैव टू पुट वाई. You have lost weight, haven't you? Now this is again tag question. Then you have to write T. Where do you live? अब ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं कि आप कहाँ रहते हो. ये हमारा आ गया W. Should I call you or send you a message? अब देखिए इसमें उन्होंने दो चीज़ें पूछी हैं. Should I call you or send you a message? क्या मैं आपको कॉल करूँ और मैं मैसेज सेंड करूँ? So this is a choice question. So write down C. You live in a city, don't you? Now again there is a short question form, don't you? Then you have to write T. Did you clean up your room? क्या आपने अपना रूम जो है वो क्लीन किया है? बताओ, आप लोगों ने किया है बच्चे अपना रूम? घर पे रह रहे हो और अपना रूम क्लीन करते हो कि नहीं? सब कुछ पेरेंट्स के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट हो. ओके, यू हैव टू से येस और नो. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज इन येस और नो form. Then you have to write why. Are you moving to Brazil? क्या आप ब्राज़ील जा रहे हो? तो this is a question form. Then you have to put why. Okay, now another transformation of sentences. बेटा जब हम सेंटेंस को ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं एक से दूसरे, ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने पहली जो है उस असाइनमेंट में AV असाइनमेंट में डिस्कस कर लिया था कि सेंटेंसेस कौन कौन से टाइप्स के होते हैं. देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. अब जैसे ये क्वेश्चन है, ही केम टू मीट मी, दिस इज इन अ डेक्लरेटिव एंड नाउ यू हैव टू डू इट इन अ इंटेरोगेटिव सेंस. इंटेरोगेटिव में आपको पता है कि क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में करना है, तो आप क्या लगा दोगे? डिड ही कम टू मीट मी. शी इज़ कमिंग टू मीट मी, ये डेक्लरेटिव है, इसको फिर से इंटेरोगेटिव में करना है. अब इज़ शी coming to meet me. Now again she sings well. Declarative to interrogative. Does she sing well? Again, she has completed the work. Declarative to interrogative. Has she completed the work? Now in next, Ravi can swim. This is a declarative. Can Ravi swim? This is an interrogative. How kind of you to help me. ये है हमारा एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस. मीनिंग हैजंट चेंज. इसमें जो मीनिंग है वो उसको हमने चेंज नहीं करना, बट इसको हमने डेक्लारेटिव में करना है. इट्स राइट लाइक दिस. इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ यू टू हेल्प मी. नाउ नेक्स्ट, राजेश फेल्ड इन हिज अटेम्प्ट. ये हमारा पॉजिटिव है. अब इसको हमने नेगेटिव में करना है. राजेश डिड नॉट सक्सीड इन हिज अटेम्प्ट. ओके. नाउ देयर इज अ डी पार्ट. चेंज द सेंटेंसेस एज इंस्ट्रक्टेड. Ratan is arriving at 9 a.m. Now change to interrogative. Is Ratan arriving at 9 a.m.? Next, Rajan is always on time. Change to negative. Rajan is never late. How kind of her to help the injured puppy. Change to declarative. It was kind of her to help the injured puppy. They are in the swimming pool. Change to interrogative. Are they in the swimming pool? Shadan is in the bedroom. Change to interrogative. Is Shadan in the bedroom? Are the children tired? Change to declarative. The children are tired. Do cheetahs run fast? Change to exclamatory. How fast cheetahs run? Can you pick me up at 10 o'clock? Change to declarative. You can pick me up at 10 o'clock. Does his mother bake delicious cake? Change to declarative. His mother bakes delicious cakes. How awful the weather is. Change to declarative. The weather is awful. So students, with this assignment we will complete our first chapter, the sentence. Now in the next assignment we will start the second chapter. Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Bye.